we'll be getting in our hammocks and sitting there being frightened to death for the next 8 hours. Phone the police if this video never comes out.
But how will you know?
They won't know. Hi guys, Steve the Transit Camper. It's a bit dark now in the UK. It's just about 7:10. We've just walked through this housing estate and we're heading for the airport for the Stealth Camping Alliance Airport Challenge. Got baby with me. It's pitch black. We'll get some light on in a minute. Catch you in a bit. Just getting in the skyline here. Where's baby? Oh, we've got to go down. Moving on. There's a bridge there. Got the river to our left. And the airport is over a fence over there. And it's about, well, I don't know, 400 kilometres. I haven't heard any aeroplanes yet though. I hope they fly at night. Baby's going for an alternative route.
Where are we going from here?
Just at the top by the gate.
Huh?
Just against the fence. I'm holding the torch down, but that's the first glimpse of the airport there. We haven't seen anything coming yet. But let's find a camping spot up again. Oh, it's a bit of a tight one, this, isn't it, baby?
It's like crumbling.
Yeah. Everything she's caught hold of to try and save her has broke off so far. We'll be all right. It's not growing on you just yet, is it? But I think it will. Once we get you seated. We're right by a railway line as well, which is good. Superb. I'll go and have a look at the railways after. She's not impressed. It'll grow now. Baby's getting some lights up. Let's take you over. I've got all this food. We'll talk through that in a minute. Some Coke. I've got some amaretto. We're going to have that with some hot chocolate. And there we have it. Just one can left in the fridge, a nice can of Guinness. I've also got whiskey and Southern Comfort. So, this is camp. Baby's found somewhere to sit now. It's a tiny little space and we're thinking we can hang the hammocks from there over to that tree there, if you can see it. It's going to be tricky.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the hammock up. That's baby's hammock. You can sit in it if you want now, you'd be more comfy to cook. There's your bench. We want to be together. Sometimes you just got to make things work with the Stealth Camping Alliance Airport Challenge. So that was amazing. We've just heard our first aeroplane, but we're really worried that this doesn't operate much at night, but we'll see. Baby's getting some cooking stuff out, and we're going to cook some tea and get some drinks on the go. I don't think we do. I don't think it's going to rain. We need to just have it handy in case we need it. Like my glasses, which I've lost. Look at that, boys and girls. Awesome! Right, let's have a drink. What do you want first, monkey? Why is my bag 15 miles away? Shh. Southern Comfort. I'm going to hit the Guinness. This one's for camping with Boone. And any one of you other stealth campers that are getting a Guinness. Cheers. Oh, that is the best a man can get, and a woman. Right, guys and girls, before we start cooking, we've got the hammocks up, we're all settled. Keep hearing a lot of noises, which is a bit off-putting, really. I don't know whether there's people sort of walking around patrolling. The baby's happy, she's comfortable. I'm going to switch hats and I'm going to go and have a look at the base, see if I can see anything. So bear with, I'll see you at the base. So I'm just hiding behind a bush now and I'm having a look at the front of the airport. Okay, so there is a guy there. Oh, this could be more tricky than I think. Let's have a look over the airport. Oh, I can just about make out the runway there. Right. I have to find a better way around this. Okay guys, this is absolute high risk because this is a military airport. So I'm pretty camoed up, as you can see. So I've got alongside this main gatehouse now. There's a couple of soldiers over that way, but they haven't seen me, so I should be okay. Oh, hang on. No, I think they've gone, they're not over. So we're going to make a run over to the next place. We're going to have a look at the Chinook. We're going to try and get a look at the runway. We're going to have a look at some aeroplanes. Hopefully we can lay down low in the grass and we can see some aeroplanes up in the air and get them landing as well, which would be absolutely amazing. So let's make a run for it. Right. Okay, so I'm crouched down here. There's no one about. Looking over there, looking over here. It's alright, I think I've got away with it. So, let's see if we can go down and have a look by this tent. I've got behind this big lamp. I can't see much from here. I'm going to have to run round to that tower, which I can see just round there. Right, gonna make a run for it. This tower. Make sure there's no one around. You can just see the airplanes there. I can... Oh! Somebody there. Let's come around the other side. Oh, this is brilliant. So we're seeing all the sights. This is really good. Baby's back at the camp. Hope she's okay. So, just tucked up against this fence now. And then we're going to keep going. I was worried that one soldier had spotted me, but he hasn't. There's a lot of searchlights around here. And it's a bit of a nightmare, really. Can't really see where you're going. But good job is, around the military airport, there is quite long grass, so they can't really see me. If you just lie down, keep still, you look like anything. Oh, I've got to keep down, there's somebody coming. Oh no, that's the helipad. Doesn't seem to be anyone around there. Let's make a run for the helipad. That's a snook. Awesome. Right. We're going to get seen here. Let's make a run for it. Oh, that's a tank. What are we doing? Get behind here. Hopefully we're going to see some airplanes taking off and landing. Let's wait here for a minute. Van. I can't put my flashlight on, but we are going to make a run. This little crane that's over here. Let's go and have a look. Oh, there's a searchlight there, shining right at me. Right, this is a crane. Let's have a look. Where are we looking here now? There's the airport. There's the runway. Just climb up on this. Climb up on this crane. Oh yeah, you can see the runway now. Oh, look at the searchlights, that's brilliant. Yeah. See them airplanes landing there, brilliant. Oh, there's a watchtower there. Let's have a look. Oh, the spotlight's going on the watchtower, I think. Is it? Oh yeah, there it is, there it is. Let's go and have a look at that. Let's just climb down from this crane. Oof. Sorry about the camera, guys. Let's run across here. Oh, there's people there. They can see me. I've got to be careful here. I don't want to get seen. Right down in the grass now. I'm worried about them guards. Just keep it low. Got my torch off. It's just a few searchlights kicking around, but we're alright. Sorry, I have to whisper. Make my way over now. If I just creep around here, can't really get a good view of the runway here. I might just chance it, go and have a run up to it. Right, I'm going for it. There it is, look, that's brilliant. It's just a quick run past. Wow, look at those airplanes. That's fantastic. I don't know what they're called, but they're immense. Look at that, that's superb. Look at that. I'd like to see one of them take off in a minute. Oh, brilliant. Oh, that's the top secret aeroplane. Keeping it stealthy, guys, keeping it stealthy. This airport is absolutely fantastic. I've got right up to the aeroplanes. I've seen the jet fighters. I can't remember the name of that black one. Is it called a Black Hawk? I can't remember. But it's absolutely awesome. And it's just one last aeroplane. I've got to have a look at that. Do I risk it? Right by the guard tower. I'm going for it, I'm going for it. Just gonna have a quick look at this one. Really quick. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a bloke there. I didn't see it, Let's get in undercover. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely brilliant. Oh, fantastic. Right, what I'm gonna do, guys, is run back to some decent cover over here. And I'm gonna get the drone up. Keep it really tight up against this guardhouse. It's like a watchtower. There's a couple of soldiers at the bottom. They haven't seen me. I'm absolutely shattered. This is like weed in a bush, all that running. Brilliant. I'm really hoping to get the drone up as well, so we can have a good look around the base. Fantastic. That Chinook was awesome, wasn't it? Superb. Right. Let's have another look around. as you saw, that airbase is absolutely amazing. I nearly got caught. A lot of soldiers around. Good fun. Airport challenge, stealth camping alliance.
That's mine.
I know it's yours, but it was your idea off camera to use it to stand the cooker on. And I think it was a good idea.
What are you doing with the bag? Don't just throw the bag around. Like it's not important. Thank you.
Keeping the place tidy as we go. Got the cooker set up there, look. Ta-da! What?
Tries at that.
Tries it what?
My lighter.
Stop worrying about your lighter, I won't steal it. That's a better pan. Is that enough? Okay, isn't it? So I think the aeroplanes are mainly stopped. I suppose they don't fly after 10 at this military base. Stealth Camping Alliance, Airport Challenge. A little bit Hollywood. One or two of you may have noticed around the military base. Didn't quite look right, but you know, I want to take part. We are stealth camping. And it's a little bit Hollywood.
Bollywood.
Bollywood. It's not Bollywood, is it? It's Hollywood.
It's really crap acting. Bollywood.
She said it's really bad acting like Bollywood. Wow.